I've been stuck here for what feels like forever. Doesn't it feel like forever when you have to stay at home as opposed to when you choose to stay at home? It's March 2020. As many of you know, it's coronavirus time, and it's just kicking up here in the United States, really getting going, and it's scary out there. So right out there is where the virus is, which is why we're encouraged to stay home. I'm fully complying with this. I'm staying at home, not going to stores. I have a couple weeks supply of stuff. For some reason, people are really buying toilet paper like crazy. Don't they realize that they could just use napkins? They can use facial tissues. I'm not gonna go and bore you with the gory details, but there's a lot of options out there, and folks are just going crazy, beating each other up in stores. So why am I making this video? Well, I wanted to share something with you, and I wanted to say thank you to all those folks that have really supported and believed in me. Check this out. I'm gonna turn the camera around. This is my YouTube channel right here, and look at that number right there, 3,010. So apparently there's 3,010 of you out there as of March 2020 and that think this channel is good and think that what I'm doing is good and helpful, and I really appreciate that. So thank you so much. I hope that I'm delivering good value to you and creating good content that you're enjoying, and that's also teaching you and helping you in your work. And I hope to continue doing this. For all those folks that have subscribed to my channel, left comments, left likes, all those things help to get more people to view my stuff and help the YouTube algorithm get my videos higher in the ranks whenever people search for relevant information like NativeScript, for example. I have a lot of videos on NativeScript. That's how I started this channel back in 2016, by creating helpful videos about NativeScript. I've discovered NativeScript in 2015. I started blogging about it back then. That was 5 years ago now. Actually, it's 5 years ago as of March something. Let me check this out. So I'm gonna go to nativescripting.com, articles. These are the newest articles, and I'm gonna go to the last page, 13, which is the oldest articles. Yeah, here is my first article about NativeScript and using it with Azure Mobile Services. By the way, Azure Mobile Services doesn't exist anymore. They've renamed it since, but this was cool back then. And this article is from March 21st, 2015. Today is March 24th. What a weird coincidence. So I discovered NativeScript pretty much 5 years ago, rounded to a week. It's been a fun ride. Hopefully I've created a lot of helpful content over the years with all my courses. Of course, I have courses on Pluralsight. I have courses on LinkedIn. So if you do have any of those subscriptions, check out those courses. They are, of course, a little bit outdated now. The latest stuff I've been doing for the last 3 years, I've been doing on nativescripting.com. And many of you have seen my videos here on YouTube and went to nativescripting.com to purchase full courses or sign up for the free courses that are available there. And I'm glad that I was able to provide those all these years. So thanks again, folks. Hopefully you're all safe and your families are well, and we'll continue to do more cool things on this channel with NativeScript, with coding, with JavaScript. And I love hearing back from you about things. So talk to me down in the comments. Let me know what's up. By the way, have you ever met the NativeScript dog? You might have seen him in some of my videos, but I don't think I've officially introduced him. Hey, Axel. Let's see if he comes. Axel. He's kind of lazy today. So this is Leo. He is the NativeScript sidekick. He is not the NativeScript dog, and he doesn't have his own Twitter account like NativeScript dog does. But he helps out sometimes. Axel. This is Axel. He's the NativeScript dog. And he is feeling a little lazy today, as you can see. Axel, say hi to everybody. Everybody, this is Axel. Come. Oh, wow. Okay. Yeah, sometimes he likes to sit here like this. Axel helps me out a lot when I'm recording my videos or my courses. He gives me a little bit of encouragement sometimes. Hopefully all of you are still encouraged to continue work and continue doing whatever creations you're making, whether you're programming or you're doing something else. Hopefully this coronavirus thing is not going to discourage you from doing that. There's a lot of things that have changed, but a lot of things are going to stay the same. For example, we are going to still create and we're going to keep going. doing what we do. All right, everybody, thanks again for supporting me. We've passed 3,000 subscribers, and I'll catch you all in the next video.